Hey everybody, since I've been getting a lot of emails and messages asking how come there are so many different releases for Tron and people are getting confused. As you can see, we have 5 different releases here, so I decided to do this easy comparison so you can choose whichever one you prefer. So let me explain. This one is the Tron Classic, the first one. This one's the Tron Legacy. This one is $20, $20. But it's only 2 discs, okay? They all these 5 have the code for the Disney movie rewards. So let me say, if you buy them all, you have 5 codes in here, okay? So all of them has the movie code rewards. This shoe does not have the digital copy, only these 3. So this, and this does have the digital copy for your iPad. This shoe doesn't. So let's go with the prices. This one's a 2 disc, $20. 2 disc, $20. This one is a 4 disc. And guess what? You're just gonna pay $25. You know? $5 more. 20, 25. 2 discs, 4 discs. So that's something for you to think about it. But if you decide to go with this one, that it is 5 discs, it's 50. Because this one is 25. And if you decide to get this one, 45, right? This one is 50, so you're paying more. You're only paying because of the fancy slipcover. So once again, 20, 25, $50. And if you decide to go with the identity disc, that's 65. That's $15 more than this one. They are exactly the same. 5 discs. 5 discs, there's no difference. Bonus, everything is exactly the same. The only difference is it's pretty fancy, it's pretty neat. And this one's 50, this one is 65. Another thing is this shoe comes with a nice slip cover. It's a lenticular, so let's take this one off. Let's take this one off, and let me show you here. They are really kind of different. I know lots of you like the slip cover, so let me show you. This one's a 4 disc, comes with that UK case. I love these cases. They are really, see, unbendable. It's really secure. This one, like I showed you, it's a fancy identity disc, light disc. This one, like I told you before, it is an on-off switch. Off, on. You don't have to keep pressing. It's pretty nice. And it goes like this. So I don't think this works very nice as they expected. You know, it's very simple. Just push on one side and lift it. Let's do this again. Push on one side and lift it. And yeah, it is very, very nice, very neat to put on your shelf, on your bookcase. Alright guys, since I'm not a big fan of the original classic Tron, I decided to go with this one. Like I showed you before, this one is the 4 disc. It has the Blu-ray of the movie, the 3D Blu-ray of the movie, DVD and digital copy. So this is what it looks like without the wrapping. Very colorful, really nice design. And finally, let's open the case. See, it's the UK case. I love because it comes with these big wings. I hate those tiny ones, it's so flexible. So the Disney movie rewards, just a flyer talking about the glasses. And here's just a flyer talking about the new Tron Uprising coming to Disney XD in your television. Phineas and Ferb. Just a regular flyer. And here we have Tron Legacy in Blu-ray, Tron Legacy in 3D, the DVD, and the digital copy. See right here? A, B, C. This is region free. And let me show you up close the special features. Let me also show you the 5-disc is also region free, and 2-disc, they're also region free. And this one, it's also region free. So everything here works anywhere, everywhere. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos. Hope I was able to better explain these 5 different releases from Tron Legacy in 3D and Identity disc. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And don't forget to check my previous review for Tron. And also, if you click right here, there's a contest going on that you can win either one of these 2 movies. So thanks again, and see you next time.